Now you can go either in or maybe out. Whichever you think.
Just whatever
Just pour
goes.
slow. Okay. Or fast.
Yeah, this is a little weird.
That's cool though. Curious how it'll look after you tilt.
Tilting.
Okay. Ooh. Ah.
Ooh, mom in the background.
I love it. Ooh. Swirly, swirly. Keep it over there as best you can. Wow. You did a way better job than I did.
I like yours.
Really? I like yours. I'll trade you.
No. I like mine, but I also like yours too.
Okay. I love yours. Cool. Okay, don't move. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cool this is. Sierra is like creatively amazing. I'm gonna have to talk her into letting me have this one. She's saying no. I'm gonna bribe her with some shoes or something. Look how cool that is. It's so cool. Well, this was my daughter's take on this new technique. So definitely came out way different than mine. Super awesome. Let me know what you guys think. All right, bye.